embrace the divine with our special collection of fabrics for Mahashivratri. So let's go have a look. Here we have this vibrant and rich color of green that you can see. It's a really nice forest sort of green, and all over it you can see this nice pattern of gold color. Inside it we can see these flower motifs and paisley motifs as well, and leaf-like structure all around it. It has a grid-like pattern all over it. This could make a beautiful piece of blouse or sari for the Shivratri, giving a really rich and calming look, because green color is really natural. For a more softer look, we have this raw silk fabric. It's cream beige in color. It gives a really calming and nice look because of the embroidery that you can see on the work that you can see all over it. It has these nice pink color flowers and leaves along with yellow leaves as well. It gives a really nice sari look if you're going for that, or you can also use this for a suit set because it would be really nice and beautiful to wear. Another great raw silk fabric that we have here is more pastel in color. This is a nice light blue, delicate worked embroidery all over it. There are flowers that are pink in shades with leaves that are almost contrasting to the blue shade that you can see in the background. It gives a really softer look, and it can be very beautiful for a dupatta or a suit set if you want to go for a more calming look. Moving to our next fabric, here we have this gorgeous Banarasi that you can see. It has two shades of blue color. One is a lighter blue color that you can see here with this nice beautiful pattern all over it. It is gold, dull gold in color, and then here we have this beautiful border which is vibrant blue in color. It gives a very nice and opulent look with all of this paisley design all over it. It gives a nice border look as well. We can make a nice piece of sari out of this, and it could be worn for multiple occasions besides Shivratri too. The next fabric we have here is more monotonous in shade because of the design that you can see all over it. It is almost teal in color. It's a beautiful shade of blue that you can see. Another beautiful thing about this is the pattern that is going across the fabric. It has this gold work all over it. It gives a really nice glow on the fabric as well, and can be worn for a nighttime look too if you're going for it. Could be worn for a puja as well for the Shivratri. Moving to our next fabric, this is more of a darker and deeper shade of blue. I would say this is a royal blue color or dark blue color shade, and all across it we have this gorgeous golden color pattern which is striped and wavy in shape. Inside it you can see these intricate and fine details of flowers and leaves which goes across the borders, and this can be made into a nice blouse piece too, or we can make a nice cord set out of it for a more casual or more simpler look. The next fabric we have here is a little more simpler in my opinion, but it also gives a really bold look, because the Shivratri, if you want to go for something as calming as the occasion is, we can go with something of this shade. The blue color is very nice, it's very minimal, and it is very simple to look at and very pleasing to the eyes too. And the flowers that you can see here, which are golden in color, it has this really sweet pink shade to it, so it gives a nice contrast to the entire blue shade that you can see. Moving to our next fabric, here we have this nice shade of blue color. This is a cyan blue color fabric. This is a Banarasi, it's a pure Banarasi with a nice pattern all over it. It has flowers and a zigzag type of grid-like pattern all over it. This could also be worn for a really nice blouse piece of a sari, and we can add a lot of depth through this kind of colors too. Another nice and calming shade of fabric is this satin Banarasi that you can see here. It has a really nice and graceful look to it because of how minimal it looks and how soft it is to your eyes. For a more subtler look this Shivratri, we can totally try something of this kind. This would be something that I would definitely wear because of how nice these golden borders are along with these gold motifs that you can see. It gives a really simple look while it also stands out of the crowd. Moving to our next fabric. Here I have this Banarasi blue color fabric. It has a rich blue color along with a nice texture out on it. It has a really coarse texture which gives a really traditional and antique look too because of the pattern itself. It has a dull gold color motifs all over it. You can see these flowers, and inside these flowers you can see these fine details of orange and yellow tones that gives a nice contrast to the entire fabric. The borders as well is something that is really nice and unique because of how beautiful it looks, and it could be worn for a nice puja or for the occasion of Shivratri itself. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, you can like and comment, and if you want to see more videos like these, you can subscribe to our channel. And for more of these wonderful fabrics, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1, where we also offer customization, and you can shop online at Fabric by Singhanias.